Hi everyone. Today I'm showing you how to make a belt. Alright, I'll take this fabric right here I got already set up, and the edge of it you just fold it over how wide you want it to be. I got mine at least let me see, 2 inches here. 2 inches I got my belt. Alright, go ahead and I've already started it, so I want to continue. Before I finish, that is, excuse me. Before I finish, I want to show you how I've done it. Alright, here we go. I already got it fold. You just sew on that edge there for your belt. Okay. As you can see, I've already pre-pinned my belt so it won't move when I start my stitches. I've already pinned it so I won't go over, making it too big or too small. Okay. It's just the size I want for my belt. As you go, you can just take the pins out. Save your time. As you get close to the edge, you want to make sure that your ends here are folded over as such. It's already folded over. Just fold it over. Okay, it'd be easier for you to close it off. Just fold it over like that. Alright. Just continue stitching. Hold on to it. Come all the way to the edge. And let's back stitch. That way it's putting a lock on it. That's it. And you can cut your trimmings, because that's not going to be inside your belt. Just cut your trimmings. I use this to hold it for me. It's my helper. So, cutting your belt out of the fabric. And it's really simple. But for those who don't sew, it's not a simple thing for them. That's why I'm happy to post this video. I love making custom items, because what you make custom, you're not going to find it in the department stores. Walmart, not the mall, nothing, nowhere. You're not going to find it. Custom made means it is genuine, exclusive. Alright, that's what I love about it. Custom make your clothes and however way you prefer. Alright, I'm going to finish cutting this trim off and I'll be right back.